Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c colon and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command, type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command, cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command, bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.